Hello and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage push notifications in the AliExpress app on your Android phone. If you're getting too many alerts about orders, promotions, or other updates, this guide will help you customize what notifications you receive and what to turn off. First, open the AliExpress app on your Android phone. Now, click the settings icon located at the top right corner. Scroll down and select Notifications from the list of options. Then, tap on Push Notifications to access detailed notification controls. Now, you'll see different categories like Orders, Promotions, Activities, Coins, and Interaction messages. Simply switch off the toggle for any category you no longer want to receive push notifications from. Once done, you can exit the settings, and your preferences will be saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully managed your AliExpress push notifications. Feel free to adjust these settings anytime if your preferences change. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.